Hi everybody and welcome to Art. It's Mrs. Bojack, and for our first week at home we are going to be making a project that I made up called Dot to Dot. This project has to do with lines and shapes and creating those all on your own and then repeating your colors. So we're concerned today about repetition and about lines. And there's actually two ways to do this project. So I'm going to show you the first way first, and then I'll show you the second. What you have in front of you is my first dot to dot project. And I started by adding dots and then connecting them. Now, I stuck with the same amount of colors. So I have purple, red, blue, yellow, 4 colors, and then white, which isn't a color, but that gives you some negative space. So you're going to limit your colors today. I'm going to show you another sample. Okay, this is the same one using straight lines, however, just limited colors, just green and purple. And I did leave some white negative space in every single triangle. Okay, so we're going to start with this project first. To start, you're going to need one piece of paper. You're going to need a pencil and some kind of a straight edge, like a ruler, you could use a Sharpie marker or a Crayola black marker. Either one's fine. Sharpies work the best because they don't smear, and then you're going to need some colored markers for the next part, and you can decide which colors you want in a moment. Okay, the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill your paper with dots. I would probably, I would start with about 25. And if you want to go up to 50, you can. Okay, so once you've got your dots, then what you're going to do is you're going to start to draw lines and you're going to connect the dots. Now what you're going to find is you're going to create shapes, diamonds, and triangles if you're using straight lines. And you can use a ruler if you want to be real persnickety. But if you don't, you can just go ahead and do them freehand like I am. Now if you're getting bored and thinking, I don't have enough dots, add some more. Whoosh, that's a lot of dots. Now once you have your lines drawn, what you can do next is decide what your colors are going to be and then start to color those in. Okay, now that you've got your colors in, and I chose the primary colors to start with, and I didn't color a lot, maybe about 8 or 10 of each one. But then I decided it was too kind of boring, so I went back in with a black marker and I added some small triangles inside of some of those areas too. Now, what you're worried about today is repetition, so you want to repeat red, 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 yellow, 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 and sprinkle it around. And the other thing you want to do is make sure that it's balanced. And balanced means that it's not too heavy or too crowded on one side. You don't want to put too much red over here or too much blue on this side. So sprinkle it around. You can leave some things completely white, and at the end, if you want to, you can go ahead and cut out the whole shape all the way around. Instead of using straight lines to connect, you can use all curved lines. So the dots are in here, but I've used curved lines instead to connect all those together. And I will show you how to start that one in case you're thinking, ooh, I might want to try that one instead. So again, you want to start with dots. And then the really fun part is to go back in and add color. This one I only added one color, which is fine because this is such a complicated design that you may only want to stick with one color. Or you do the whole thing in black and white, which would look kind of like an optical illusion. So that might be kind of fun to do. All right, enjoy and have fun. When you are finished, please make sure you take a picture, and I'd like you to turn it in at the Art Google Classroom. I can't wait to see your art. Have fun.